Here we are in room 214 at the Port St. Joe Inn and Cottages. We are in Port St. Joe, Florida. Disclaimer, we stayed here last night, so the room's not tip-top, but this is the King Suite. So you walk in, to the left you have the bedroom. Nice king-size bed, lots of pillows. We've got a TV in this room. The fun thing about this place is we get lots of windows. So the bedroom window overlooks the pool. They do have these cute little cottage houses that you can rent as well if you don't want to stay in the main hotel area. We're gonna go back this way. We're gonna do just a brief look in the bathroom. It's pretty standard for a hotel bathroom. You've got double sinks. They do provide soap, shampoo, conditioner. You've got a nice, decent sized shower. The shower head is awesome because you can change all of the settings on it. So, like I said, normal hotel bathroom. And then when you pay for the suite, you get this extra room. So there's a mini fridge, microwave, coffee pot, another TV. There's Hubs. Say hi for the camera, Hubs.
Hi, y'all.
We've got our stuff packed up. We're getting ready to check out for the night. But like I said, there are lots of windows. So when you come to this side, you can actually see the Gulf of Mexico. You can see the ocean from the living room. It is a quaint, cozy little hotel, and if you're looking for just a quick getaway, this is an excellent place to stay.
And if y'all would like and subscribe, we sure would appreciate it.